I'm meteorologist Cheryl Nelson. Are you struggling to stay cool during the hot and humid summer months? It can be a challenge for all of us, especially if you're outside, if you're working outside, or if you don't have air conditioning. Well, I have some simple hacks that'll help you and your family stay cool. When it's really hot outside, one of the things you might want to do to try to stay cool is go to the beach or maybe have a picnic, or what if you have to work outside? Well, here's an easy hack that'll help you stay cool. So first, get some ice out of the bin. And now, here's the cool part. So you get some normal household sponges. Rinse them under water. You squeeze them out a little bit, but not too much. What you want to do is put them in the freezer. And then once they're frozen, it really is helpful to put them on the skin. So what you'll do is you'll put them on the pulse points on your body, and that's going to help cool your entire body down. So you just toss them in, and you're ready to go. Like many of us in the summer, we're out and about, we're at the pool, we're at the beach, maybe we're working outside. We try to stay protected with sunscreen, but we always miss a spot. So if you miss a spot and you realize, oh no, I've got sunburn, what can you do for some instant relief? Well, here's a hack that I really like. You just take some simple aloe vera gel, you can get it most stores, and also some coconut oil, you can get it at most stores as well. Take equal parts and spoon them into a bowl. And then you get some of the coconut oil here. I'm gonna grab a couple of those. One more of the aloe vera. And then you just wanna mix it up really, really well. What's good about the coconut oil and the aloe vera is that they're both very soothing and moisturizing to the skin. So it's gonna help your skin feel a lot nicer. Then you have an ice cube tray and you start just spooning it into the tray. And then you put it in the freezer, let it sit for 2 hours. And when you're done with that, then you have a nice soothing and cooling ice cube. They look like this. These are aloe vera coconut oil ice cubes, and it's just simple. You put them on your pulse points, anywhere you have sunburn, and it's really gonna help cool your body and help you feel a lot better. Again, just make sure you keep it away from the eyes, nose, and mouth. Here's another hack that may be useful for you, and it starts with a box fan. So you have a box fan, and then you get a pan and you fill it with ice from your freezer. And what's great about this, it's really simple to do, and it'll help cool you off. As the air blows over the pan of ice, the water starts to evaporate, and a cooling mist is actually blown onto you to help cool you off. If you don't have air conditioning, or if your AC is broken, there are still ways you can try to stay cool in bed. Here's another hack for you. Get some rice, it could be brown or white rice, get it from any store, and just a traditional sock. And just spoon some of this rice into the sock. Once you have enough rice in the sock, you just want to secure it with a rubber band, or you can tie it shut. And then you put it in the freezer for at least a couple hours. And then once you take it out of the freezer, it'll be nice and icy cold. But the great thing about rice is it's not going to get water all over your bed, because the rice is going to absorb any moisture. So you can just put it in the bed with you when you go to sleep by any of those pulse points, and that'll help keep your entire body cooler as you drift off to sleep. For more tips and tricks, visit allstate.com/blog or follow me on social media at Cheryl Nelson TV.